Singularity Syndicate, Episode 2, AI Sets Sail, Revolutionize Shipbuilding and Maritime Operations. Welcome to Singularity Syndicate, the podcast where we dive into wild transformative world of artificial intelligence and its impact on industries shaping our future. I'm your host Charita and this is episode 2 and we are casting off into exciting waters of AI in shipbuilding and maritime operations. Today we are exploring the nuts and bolts of shipbuilding and the cutting edge AI software revolutionizing industry and the companies making waves. From smarter ships to fraud busting algorithms, buckle up or batten down the hatches for a deep dive into future of the sea. Before we get into AI magic, let's talk about shipbuilding 101. Building a ship is no small feat. It's a complex dance of engineering, materials, and logistics. It starts with design and planning, where naval architects use CAD software and create detailed blueprints. These designs account for hydrodynamic stability and cargo capacity. For example, a container ship needs to carry thousands of containers, and while a cruise ship prioritizes passenger comfort and safety. Next comes material selection. Modern ships use high strength steel for hulls, aluminum for superstructures, and composites for special components. The hull is built in sections called blocks in massive shipyards like those operated by Hyundai Heavy Industries in South Korea or Fincantieri in Italy. These blocks are welded together, outfitted with engines, electrical systems, and navigation tech, and then launched for sea trials. The process can take years and billions of dollars, especially for mega ships like Icon class cruise liners and VLCC, very large crude carriers. But here's where it gets interesting. Shipbuilding isn't just about steels and sweat anymore. AI is transforming every step into design to delivery into making ships smarter, safer, and more efficient. The maritime industry powers global trade. Think container ships hauling 20,000 TEUs, that's 20-foot equivalent units, ports processing millions of tons of cargo, and supply chains worth trillions. AI is stepping in and solving some of the biggest challenges in this space. Let's break it down. ETA prediction uses AI to analyze historical real time data, weather, ocean currents, ship speed, and port schedules to predict vessel arrivals and uncanny accuracy. This cuts down on ships idling outside ports, saving fuel and reducing emissions. Port congestion management that takes it further. With AI forecasting berth availability and scheduling arrivals to avoid bottlenecks. Then there's automated container tracking, AI powered scanning, paired with RFID tags, tracks containers in real time, ensuring they are routed correctly and never lost in the shuffle. Fuel optimization and route planning is another game changer. AI crunches data on weather currents and historical routes to suggest paths that save fuel, time, and money. This is critical when fuel cost can account for 50% of the ship's operating expenses. Security is also getting an AI boost. Cargo fraud detection uses algorithms to spot suspicious patterns like forged bills and lading unusual ship routes, keeping supply chains transparent, and my personal favorite, digital twins for port management. These virtual models stimulate entire ports, letting operators test new layouts and schedule real world risks. It is like playing SimCity, but for billion dollar ports. The maritime AI space is buzzing with innovation, and some companies are leading with charge. ORCA AI, based in Israel, is a standout for collision avoidance and visual tracking. Their AI processes radar and camera feeds to detect obstacles, helping ships avoid accidents and crowded waters. Spiral Global, a US-based company, uses satellite data and machine learning to track worldwide, providing real-time insights for logistic and security. Windward AI, also from Israel, specialized in predictive intelligence, analyzing ship patterns to flag risks and smuggling and sanction violations. Hawkeye 360, Another US player uses radio frequency signals to track vessels, even those trying to hide by turning off AIS transponders. Navis, part of Caleris, automates port and terminal operations, optimizes everything from crane schedules to container stacking. And Port Exchange, based out of Netherlands, focused on just-in-time arrivals using AI to sync ships and ports for maximum efficiency. Big shipbuilding are also jumping on the AI bandwagon. Hyundai Heavy Industries uses AI to optimize ship designs, reducing material waste. Fincantieri integrates AI into cruise ships production for predictive maintenance, ensuring systems run smoothly before passengers board. These companies show how AI is shaping not just operations but also a very process of shipbuilding. AI software and tools for maritime systems. So, what software powers that maritime AI revolution? Let's dive into tech stack. Machine learning based route optimization relies on algorithms like those in TensorFlow or PyTorch, which process weather, currents, and historical data to suggest optimal routes. For example, you can train a model using scikit-learn to predict fuel efficient paths based on past voyages. Graph neural networks (GNNs) are perfect for mapping complex port and cargo networks like PyTorch geometric let you model relationships between ships, ports, and containers, optimizing logistic flows. Natural language processing and optical character recognition are key for extracting data from documents like bills of lading. Libraries like Tesseract for OCR and Spacey for NLP can parse messy paperwork into structured data. IoT and AI work together for real time monitoring. Platforms like AWS IoT Core and Azure IoT Hub integrate sensor data from engines containers, feeding it to AI models or for predictive maintenance. For visual detection, think spotting boats or oil spills. YOLO V8 Detectron 2 are go to tools for analyzing CCTV footage. These models can be trained to identify maritime objects with high accuracy. Open source projects are goldmine here. The Maritime Traffic API provides real-time ship tracking. AIS Hub aggregates free AIS feeds for vessel position. OpenSeaMap offers crowdsourced CMaps, U Hawkins, and you can integrate fast API with Kafka for real-time data pipelines. Streaming AIS or IoT data into your models. Deploy your system on cloud platforms like Google Cloud, AutoML Vision for image processing, or BigQuery for handling massive datasets. AWS and Azure are great for nearshore IoT integration, ensuring low latency data processing. Building your own maritime AI system. Want to build your own maritime AI system? Start by investigating AIS data from marine traffic API or satellite feeds like Spire. Use YOLO V8 Detectron to analyze drone or CCTV footage from detecting boats, spills, piracy events. For predictive tasks like ET and cargo flow, train LSTM GRU models using TensorFlow or PyTorch on time series data. Build real-time pipelines with fast API and Kafka to handle streamlining data. Deploy in cloud, Google Cloud and AWS. What's next for maritime AI? Picture fully autonomous ships navigating with AI, avoiding collisions, optimizing routes without human input. Ports could become AI-driven hubs. That's it, episode 2 of Singularity Syndicate. AI is steering shipbuilding and maritime operations into a bold new era, from smarter designs to slicker boats. If you're itching to build your own maritime system, I can hook you up with system architecture, a GitHub starter repository, or a pitch deck to secure funding. Big idea. Just let me know what you're working on. I'll tailor the plan for you.